Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Hillcrest Heights, long-distance movers near me. One of the key tasks on your to-do list when planning your long-distance move to or from Hillcrest Heights, Maryland, is finding the right moving company. 3 Movers is a full-service mover that can support you with any services you may need, including basic loading and unloading, storage, packing service, rubbish disposal, crating of fragile items, and moving bulky or oversized things. When you call us for moving estimates, our team of professional movers will schedule an on-site review of your project. The representative will review what you are moving and prepare a thorough inventory. That comprehensive list comprises the price quotes foundation, and our representative will explain all the details when you meet. They will describe the service options like packing, crating, disassembly and reassembly of furniture, charges for stairs or elevators if that's applicable, and anything else that can change the cost of your job. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hillcrest Heights moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form